Yo there guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming over and watching me. Please hit that like button, subscribe and comment. And today I am doing another build off challenge for company Ken models. So if you want to go over there and feel yourself lucky and go for a competition, please do. But anyway guys, I'm building this one this week. This month I mean. And I'm building, it's the same two cars, but one's got body kit on, then the other one hasn't. That's the only difference. But anyway, guys, what I'm going to try to do is paint it metallic green, and I'm going to try and do a lot of talk overs because I'm doing a website now, a review website, where I'm reviewing little models and stuff like that. Other people can come over and share their reviews if they want to. The website will be mostly about my experience or my dad's experience with builds, because my dad's starting as well now. Very soon, I don't know when, but my dad will be starting a build as well, and I'll be recording that and I'll be putting it onto my YouTube. It will say on the title or underneath the video or something like that, saying my dad's build. So it's up to you now. But let's have a quick look what's inside the box. Over here is where you can see what's inside the box. So what comes with the box is like I say, two builds. One has got body kit, the other one hasn't. You have to put the body kit on yourself, or you can just have it stock. It's totally up to you. It's how you want to build it, but I'm going to build it with this one here with metallic green. It'll be looking really nice, I think. In the background, that's where my other model is going to be, guys. So obviously it comes with instructions, how to build it. Sometimes I can build my models without looking at them, sometimes I can't. Little information about how to do the windows if you want to do it blackout and stuff like that. These are the extra wheels you can get. They are alloys, so-called alloys if you understand me, with whatever. But I'm going to paint them probably metallic silver. I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to have I can't remember what I bought, but I have to use what I bought from the company. Or in time I might change my mind and change them into another colour. Don't know yet. But this is the glass side of it all. So that's the front window. That's the lights, and that's the side windows. That is the sunroof, I'm guessing, and backlight and the back window there. So all that is there. You can see everything. And when I first opened this box and I saw this, I thought the part was missing, number 4 was missing. But when you look at the instructions and everything like that, it doesn't show you the number 4 part. So I'm guessing you don't need it. I might be wrong. If you guys know if it's wrong or not, please leave a comment underneath. I will contact him and say, Luke, is a piece missing? I don't know. When I looked it all up, it looked like it wasn't. It should be nothing there anyway. Obviously the wheels are low. The aren't stock wheels. I say that. So I might not put them on. I might put another ones on just to, so I can save them rubber. This is the side of the car. So this is the side of the car. So you get like extra body kit and everything. The wheels and steering wheel extra. I think that's the exhaust or something, and the spoiler. Looks like it's 2 kind of spoilers as well. So that's a bonus, I think. So this is now you can get this big here. The inside of the car, extra stuff, the back seats, springs, wing mirrors, and everything what you should get in the car. So you get that, and you get extra stuff like underneath the car and everything. It looks like you don't really work on an engine in it, but that's still a good thing, I think. So this is the body of the car. Okay. So it's just a standard shape car. and that's what makes this one makes me think it's just it should be off because of that. But you can see that bit there. That's the back bumper for stock. These are the I think stock wheels, alloys side of it all. So no, these are the for when you're doing the car swap. So these are the non-stock wheels. But a good thing about it as well is you get stickers for inside for like finals and stuff like that, and even you get the ones for doing your windows. So I'm gonna be using these.